Is your credit good enough to buy a house? Let's talk about the basics. Scott, can you give us a breakdown of what kind of credit score you need to buy a house?
Yeah, it's pretty simple. There's FICO scores for FHA. All you need is a 580 and above, and for conventional, a 620 and above.
Okay, so to get the absolute best interest rate, what kind of credit score do we need?
Anything above 760 is going to result in a good credit score. It's called the A+ area.
So we just recently had a client that had a credit score that was so close to that next tier. Scott, is it always worth it to repair the credit before moving forward?
Great question, Amy. I think it's important to get the client under contract, and then we start analyzing the credit at that point of what we can do to get the score up. In that situation we had with the new client, she had a low 700s. I was hoping just to get it above 720. We did the analysis and showed that we could get it up to 760 plus. She's immediately doing all the work that needs to be done.
Okay, so let's just talk about credit repair with someone who's not under contract yet, because we just know they need to get up over 100 points potentially.
It happens quite a bit. It's really critical to get the lending piece done before you go out and look at properties. So I've had clients, it's taken up to 2 years to get their credit repaired, but they were diligent in doing what I said, and we were able to get the results. They saved up their money, get them under contract, and they're happy.
Okay, last but not least, what's the number one misconception that people have about credit?
I think the biggest thing that I see is that people that are not active in credit usage, such as they buy their cars for cash, they have no credit cards, and as a result they have no lines of credit on their report, which turns out there's no credit score. Without a credit score, you can't get a mortgage.
Unless you have loads of cash, you need a mortgage to get a loan.
That's where I jump in. I'm Scott Moore with Prodigy Home Loans. Contact me if you're in need of a mortgage. I'll help you through the numbers.